Okay, let's learn 10 basic vowels. Some vowels or sounds are really similar, so I want you to watch my mouth really carefully. Yes, let's start. The first one is a ah sound. Ah, ah. Yes. And what about this consonant plus this vowel? Can you guess how to read this one? Yes, this is a ka. Good job. Ka. What about this one? La. La. And this. Ha. Ha. Okay, last one more question. This one? Yes, good job. This is a no sound and only you read the vowel. So ah, ah. The next one is line plus 2. If there are like 2 lines, it's so you have to put y like front. So this is a ya sound. Ya. What about this one? Dia. Not ta. Is tu plus ya. So dia. And this one. Yes, a pia. Pia. Last one more. Kya. Kya. Good job. So we learned a and ya. And next one. This is a bit difficult. So when you pronounce this one is aw sound. Aw. An English word account, when you like aw, it starts with aw. That's the same sound. It's aw, not oo. It's aw. It's aw sound. What about this one? Gaw. Gaw. This one? No. No. No means you. No. Yes, last one more. What about this one? Okay. Oh, yeah. This is a caw. Caw. Yeah. And the next vowel, this one is, yes, Y. So yaw. Yaw sound. And what about this one? Dio. Dio. What about this one? Shaw. Shaw. Shaw is sour. Shaw. So those two, aw and yaw. Account aw, yaw. So please read all those 4. Yeah. A, ya, aw, yaw. Good job. And the next one is this. This is O sound. You have to make your mouth like a O round shape, and you say like oh, go, oh. When you say go, that's O sound. Yes. Many students they confuse with the like all sound that you learn here. All sound and O sound. All is account all, and this is go O sound. O. What about this one? Go. Go. Yes. What about this? Jo. Jo. What about one more line on the top? This one. Cho. Cho. Candle. Cho. And 2 line, I told you it's a Y. So this is a yo. 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 Check it out. Like yo. That yo. Yes. What about then this one? Dio. Dio. This one? Liu. Liu. Yes, so we learned O and U. And next one, this is a oo sound. Ooh. When you say the ooh. So this is the same sound. Ooh. Ooh. What about this one? Gu. Ju, ju. Who, who. And this is a oo sound, 2 line. Yeah. This is a u sound, u. So what about this one? Yes. This one was a Jew. This one is Jew, Jew. My dog name is Manju and Gongju. This is a Jew. Yes. And what about this one? This is a Q, Q. So we learned. Yes, place all 4. O, yo, u, you. Yes. And last 2 left. This one. You have to your mouth like a so my mouth looks like this shape, right? So this one. G. Yep. S. Good job. And really last one. Down. It's an E sound. Make your mouth like long, like E. E. This one. Gi. Ni. Di. So let's read all the vowels that you learned. So, a, ya, o, yo, don't forget. O, yo, u, you, e. If you want to have a good pronunciation, please repeat over and over again so that you get used to this proper pronunciation. Otherwise, maybe later you will confuse o and o. So one more time, o, o. Good job.